Ready to begin using hemp CBD capsules but not sure where to start? Capsules are great for beginners because you always get a consistent measured dose. Once capsules are swallowed, along with some water, they are slowly absorbed in the digestive tract. CBD and all cannabinoids are fat-soluble. That means that they are absorbed along with fats in the diet, such as coconut oil. Trill Pills are made with 3 simple ingredients: organic cold-pressed coconut oil, local Colorado-grown hemp, and plant-based capsules. Beneficial fatty acids found in cold-pressed coconut oil are gradually absorbed and metabolized by the body. Once hitting the bloodstream, cannabinoids sustain the endocannabinoid system, the ECS, which helps maintain homeostasis in all mammals. Capsules aren't for you? We also offer liquid coconut Trill MCT oil and topical Trill Pain Relief Cream. Topicals apply directly onto skin and are fast-acting but not long-lasting. Learn more about our award-winning full-spectrum CBD products at trillpills.com today.